Want to track your inventory more efficiently? In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how to create a simple inventory dashboard in Excel using charts, pivot tables, and even AI-powered tools. We're going to use an Excel inventory stock control template. This will give you a structured foundation for your dashboard. Highlight the columns you want to visualize. Hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac to select multiple fields. In this example, we'll chart stock quantity by item. To get deeper insights, create a pivot table. Click on a cell with your data, go to Insert, and select Pivot Table. Place it in a new worksheet. Choose which fields to include. For this example, we'll show reorder status to track which items need restocking. To turn that pivot table into a pivot chart, select a cell in the pivot table, click Pivot Table Analyze, then Pivot Chart. Excel automatically creates your chart, which you can customize by adding or removing fields. Now, copy your charts and tables onto a new worksheet. Rename it Inventory Dashboard. Arrange them neatly so you can track stock, reorder levels, and item values all in one place. With Excel Copilot, you can create pivot tables even faster. Highlight your data, click the Analyze Data icon, and ask a specific question. Excel will automatically suggest pivot tables, which you can insert with one click. Repeat these steps until you have all the tables and charts you need. A finished inventory dashboard may look something like this. In Smartsheet, you can create real-time inventory dashboards that alert you when stock is low and that automate your workflows. Manage your inventory in Smartsheet today.